Today I am going to solve one nonlinear equation by using Newton-Raphson method. Here is the problem statement. Solve the equation by using the Newton-Raphson method. Correct to 3 decimal places. Here x log 10x is equal to 12.3. So you have to solve this equation and find out the root of this equation by using Newton-Raphson method. Now first convert to fx is equal to 0 form. So here we this is the equation x log 10 log base 10x is equal to 12.3. So we can write fx is equal to x log base 10x minus 12.3. Now first for the Newton-Raphson method we need to calculate f dash x. So using differentiation, so f dash x is equal to d by dx x log base 10x. So applying the product rule, we will get that f dash x nothing but log base 10x plus 1 by ln 10. So now we know the Newton-Raphson formula is xn plus 1 is equal to xn minus f of xn f dash xn. Now here, so first we have to take a good initial cases. So since x log base 10x is equal to 12.3, we estimate x is equal to 10 since 10 log 10 is equal to 10. So let x0 is actually 10. So now first we have to calculate fx0. So f of 10, so 10 log base 10 minus 12.3, so that will give minus 2.3. Compute f dash x0. So f dash 10, if I plug all this value, we'll get 1.4343. So now by using Newton-Raphson method, x1 will be 10 minus 2 by 3 means xn plus 1 is equal to xn minus f of xn divided by f dash xn. So we have to plug that. So finally x1 is 11.603. Now next using x1 will be the next the case. So from here f of x1, if we plug that, so that will be something 0.0596, and f dash 11.603, that will be 1.4993. So now from that again xn plus 1 is equal to xn plus f dash minus f of x by f dash xn. So we'll get x2, that is 11.563. Now again using x2 we can calculate x3. So f of x2, if we plug that, we'll get this value, and f dash that 11.563, that will be 1.4989. Again using Newton-Raphson method, x3 will be 11.563. So now earlier x2 we got that 11.563 and x3 also 11.563. So now consecutive two roots are nearly equal, and also it is correct 3 decimal places. So that root of the equation x log 10x is nothing but 11.563. That is the answer. That's it. Thank you.